Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Sudipta Saha tutorial. Today's topic is how to print pattern like A, as you can see in the screen, using a Python turtle programming. This is the turtle programming, and for that we have to import a module called turtle. That is why we have to write import turtle. And guys, the source code of the programs, you can get the link from the description sections. So it is absolutely provided freely. You can download from there, and if there is any queries regarding the tutorial, please do comments in the comment section. I'll definitely reply to you all. Please comment करके देखो, reply everything का मिलेगा. And if you think this tutorial is little helpful for you, try to share with your friends and others so that maximum people get these programs and benefited from it. So kindly do share if you like the programs. Here whatever we have write, first is import the turtle, then tur equal to turtle, that is we have to create the objects. In the third line we are creating the screen, scr equal to turtle.screen. So we are creating the screen so that we can draw the pattern. Next we have mentioned a title, scr.title pattern A. It means we are giving the title of the programs, the pattern A. Next, we have mentioned the BG color, scr.bg color, black. The background color of the screen is black. Next, we are mentioning .color. .color means we have mentioned the foreground color of the programs. The written color of the programs is red. scr.color red. Next, width. The width of the line. Width of the line we have mentioned here 2. You can mention according to your choice. So this is a test and run program. As you like, you can mention the width of the turtle. Next, we're moving the turtle towards left, 60-degree angle. So move the turtle first 60-degree angle. For that we are using tur.left 60. Then draw the line in 60-degree angle using tur.forward 200. So we have draw the first line in the 60-degree angle using tur.forward 200. Next we have to move the turtle in the right directions using tur.right. Again it will be 120 degree. So it will move the turtle in 120-degree angle using right 120. Next we have to draw a line using a forward command. So we are using tur.forward. This will draw the line for 200 points. Next we have to move the turtle backward direction. So therefore we are using tur.backward 100. So it will move the turtle backward direction in 100 degree. After that we have to draw a line in the right direction. For that we are using tur.right. So it will move the turtle in the right angle 120. Next we have to draw the line. For that we are using forward, tur.forward 100. If you think this is helpful, please share with your friends and others. And next, as we have completed the tutorial, then we have to write tur.done. So close the turtle. For that, today up to this, and if you think it is helpful, so please support us. Thank you.